Hi guys, my name is Reema Chitalia and I am the founder of EduFit. In this video, we are going to talk about the different hooks in the admissions process for undergraduate admissions in the United States of America. So, let's get started. Well, the very first thing to understand is what is a hook. A hook is a set or maybe a single quality that makes you as a candidate more desirable to a college than the general qualities that a college is seeking. These hooks are never mentioned explicitly but play a significant role in tipping the college to pick you over the other candidates. We are going to make a list of these hooks and discuss one at a time in several videos. But in this one, we are going to talk about the very first hook, which is known as the legacy. Legacy means kids of a parent who has attended a particular college. For universities like UPenn and Harvard, they even consider grandchildren of a particular alumni as legacy. Whereas for Stanford, it only reserves to parents who have attended that particular school. Well, why is legacy important? Legacy is important because it makes the school a little more humane. To the rest of the world, it may look like the college is trying to keep the entire family together year after year, and hence the legacy status. But remember one thing, at the end of the day, college is a business. Regularly, most of these private colleges have fundraisers and events where they solicit wealthy alumni to get in funds which runs their institution. So, if they admit students of a certain alumni, the asking of funds becomes a lot easier. Hence, college actually gives priority to a lot of legacy kids. It also works two-way around. Like for the college, they feel that they are kids of an alumni and hence they would end up being great and successful entrepreneurs or professionals, as I would like to call, just like their parents. And again, the soliciting of funds part. And for parents, they are a lot more committed to their own institute from where they graduated from, and they feel that their kids would do better following their footpaths. To the extent that a lot of schools give a lot of importance to legacy. For example, Dartmouth, one of the most prestigious Ivy Leagues, has a legacy recruitment rate of 30% acceptance rate as compared to the meager 13% in the regular decisions or early action. Also, college like Middlebury, where the acceptance rate is as low as 18%, the legacy recruitment rate is actually 40%. So legacy definitely works in the favor of people who've gone there. And if you have anybody, your parents or your grandparents, feel free to use that hook because it will tip off the chances in your favor. This is Reema signing off for now, and hope you've liked the video, and like, share and subscribe.